Hello there, I'm Ryan Mark. This is Showbiz Remark Up Close. I am with Candy and Angeline. Introduce yourself. You first.
My name is Kaylia Tumakay, 11 years old, is the Ultimate Catwalk Superstar Miss Charity 2025.
And Angeline.
Hi everyone, I am Ron Angeline Jill Esnaunao, 14 years old, and your Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar, first runner-up.
Your national competition will be on December.
International.
They're going international. So from Cebu to international right away. And the competition, the title there would be
Kids Star International.
Kids Star International and junior category or preteen category
Preteen.
and also preteen.
Take me to kids,
Kids. Okay, how old are you again?
11.
The mic. 11 years old. Okay, this is how you use that. Okay. Tell me about yourself. 3 words that best describe yourself.
Joyful, happy, and cheerful.
What do you consider as the happiest moment in your life so far?
I consider it when I was with my family, spending time that could last, memories that could last a lifetime because family is important to me, and that is why being with my family is the most happiest moment of my life.
How are you preparing for your international competition? Because this is like from Cebu, local, and then international right away. What are your preparations?
My preparation is practicing with my coaches on Sunday and Saturday, and by I prepare my talent, prepare my catwalk, and I learn about my culture so I can present it proudly.
Tell me about your culture.
The
What have you learned? Yes.
The Philippines culture is very beautiful. It values family and respects, especially to our elders, by saying po and opo. And we celebrate many festivals. One of my favorite festivals is Sinulog. It honors Senior Santo Niño by doing colorful dances.
Okay, Angeline. 3 words that best describe you.
3 words that would describe me is talented, caring, and beautiful.
Talented. What are your talents?
I have two actually. It's dance sport, which is usually called ballroom dancing as well, and modeling.
Modeling. You don't sing? No, about you. What are your hobbies? You don't sing? Why? I sing. My voice is angelic, like Angeline. Okay. What are your hobbies, Angeline?
I only have two actually, just dancing and modeling.
That's it. You?
My hobby is actually dancing only.
Modeling. No modeling. Why did you join the Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar 2025?
So I can build my confidence and use my platform to uplift and to inspire young girls to follow their dreams and build their confidence.
Inspire young girls to follow their dreams. What is your dream?
My dream in life is to
To
is to to use my title to inspire.
what do you want to be when you grow up, or what will you take up in college?
I want to be a doctor when I grow up because I want to help many people who are in need.
Okay. How about you, Angeline? What do you want to be when you grow up?
When I grow up, I want to be
Oh, you've already grown, but when you are in college, okay, what will you take up in college?
I think it will be either STEM or
STEM. What's that? What courses will be applicable to it?
doctors,
You also want to be in the medical profession, doctor,
nurse.
nurse.
I have either applied or attended.
You can be a flight attendant at the same time, nurse. Okay, if you will be a flight attendant in the future, what are the three must visit countries for you? Where would you go? Travel.
The three countries that I want to go to is probably Korea or America and Japan.
Okay. Did I ask you already what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? What do you do on your spare time?
Actually, my hobbies is dancing because I used to dance K-pop and hip-hop and K-pop because it is my passion and also my talent.
Pop pop. K-pop, P-pop. Okay, what's your favorite K-pop group?
My favorite K-pop group is the Seraphim.
What's that? What do they sing?
We
Just dance.
sing and dance.
Can you sing a bit of their song? Sample. Go. Seraphim?
The Seraphim.
All girls?
Yes.
Okay. Their song. What's
Their
your
song.
most popular song?
Perfect Night. And they sing like, I got all my needs, I got nothing else to do.
You know that song also? Angeline?
Yes, I do. I'm not that familiar with it.
Okay. Your competition will be in December yet?
December 1.
So you have a long, like 2 months to prepare. You are preparing on weekends, and you focus on the studying about the culture, the pasarela, and the Q&A.
Yes.
What do you consider as the most challenging part of this competition, going to the international competition?
For me, the most challenging part is the Q&A
Because
because I have a hard time struggling to answer questions. And it's unexpected. Like the questions are gonna be randomly picked.
what was your question during your local competition?
During the one on stage,
Yes, the final question.
tell us something to remember.
Okay, tell us something to remember you. Let's try because you're scared of Q&A.
Um, I want you to remember me. I want to. I want you guys to remember me by my hard work. I want you guys to know that I am a hardworking person and that I have been practicing hard for the competitions that I have been joining.
Oh, you've already answered. Don't be scared. What's your motto in life?
My motto in life is small girl, big dreams because no matter how small I am right now, I can still do amazing things when I believe in myself.
Very good. You tell her to believe in herself because she's scared of the Q&A.
Believe in yourself.
Invite them to support you.
Hi guys, this is Katie Altomatay and please do support me on my journey to the crown on December 1 to December 8 on Thailand.
Thailand. Yeah, invite them.
Hi everyone, please support me in my incoming international pageant in Thailand this December 1 to 8.
Yay! Believe in yourself. Also you. Thank you so much, Angeline and Kane, DM Ryan Mark. That was Showbiz Remark up close.